I am moving to the thoracic vertebrae, where ribs are present. From the thoracic cage, they are 12 in number. So thoracic T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, 8, 9, 10 and 12. So this is, I am arranging atlas, right? Axis, typical, right? Then thoracic. Now the size of the center becomes larger. Size of the neural canal goes on compressing as we move down in the vertebral column, but the size of the centrum becomes thick as we goes down. So this is the central neural canal transfer process, which is a lateral projections. This transfer process has base and terminal part. Base and apex, right? Its base linked with the body of the vertebrae, right? And it's this terminal end or free end attached with the muscle and ligament or other vertebrae for the support. This is the neural spine. In case of cervical, we studied that the neural spine is bifid, right? But in thoracic, there is no bifurcation. Neural spine. These are the transfer process. In the transfer process, because it is present in the thoracic region where ribs are attached. So here the ribs are attached. So the transfer process has facets, F-A-C-E-T-S, facets for the attachment for ribs. For the attachment of ribs. Now its articulation. This is the attachment of the vertebral column. Neural spine directed down. See the structure. Neural spine directed down. It's free if it is 12. See? T12. So its pre-zygomorphosis articulate with the post of T11. And its post articulate with next abdominal number, which is 5 in number. So arrange this. Then after this is arrangement. I am arranging. We move to the number here. Number 5 in number. See the structure of number. Neural canal goes on compressing. Well developed neural spine, transfer process, and well developed directed downward centrum to provide the body weight, bear the body weight. It's pre-articulate with post of thoracic and its post articulate with the next, this way, sacrum. This is sacrum. Hip between two, see? Sacrum. Now moving to the sacrum.